What is up guys, Danny this side. So in this video, I'm going to show you how you can delete all your Yahoo mails at once. First off, head over to Google or any browser and then in the search bar type in Yahoo. After typing, you will see this first official website of Yahoo Mail. Click on this website and after clicking, you will see the sign in to Yahoo Mail. Then just simply sign in with your email or you can sign in with Google. Now, after signing in, you will be welcome to the dashboard or you can say the home page of Yahoo. Now from here, click on this mail icon or that envelope icon, and now from here you can see all your mails. I don't have any mails currently, so but if you have so much mails, you can see all the mails, and then at the top you will see a checkbox to select all those mails. Just simply check that checkbox and all your mails will be selected. When they are selected, at the top you will see the delete icon. Click on the delete icon and then confirm it, then all the mails will be deleted. But don't panic, guys. If you accidentally have deleted some important mails, Yahoo gives the feature to undo all the deleted mails and then check to that if you have deleted an mail that was important, so you can just undo and undelete that, and then you can delete rest of the mails. So this is how you can delete all your Yahoo mails at once. That was all for this video, everyone. Thank you for watching.